state of Florida. And I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I hope you guys enjoyed the journey we had this past year of 2020. Of course, we had our many ups and downs, but I really appreciate you guys sticking with me. And 2021 is going to be a bigger and better year for all of us. And I'd like for you guys to continue to rock with me as I go on this journey. I have big things planned for 2021 for the channel and for you guys. And I enjoy that you guys rocked with me in 2020, but I'm gonna need your support as well in 2021 to make it bigger and better and have a big growth in the channel. And as long as we do that, I get to meet a lot of you guys in the future as well as I go to different states and different events. And I just wanna come on here shortly just to say happy holidays, enjoy your family, enjoy your time off if you got time off, and we will see you and we will enjoy 2021 together. Thank you.
I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me to evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low when no love goes. Women buddy like a